Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're going to be doing a trading breakdown. So I took this trade. Let me see what time I took it at. It's currently sitting at 84. I sold it at 75 cents. Let's go to it. I don't know why I sold. It's going to fully recover to 185, but let's go down to it. It was just simple profits. I'm not going to give away profits. That's 20% on the account today, and I'm happy with it. So we took calls. We took Apple calls over here. I want to say it was at 248. So right around 248. So right around here is where we got our calls. And it obviously did down. So we were down, I think, about 10%, which was fine. We went down 10%. We got 5 filled at 60 cents right around here. And so essentially we got filled and we drew our ascending triangle. We had a bullish pattern here. It bounced off of this support, this clear support right here. And I drew that in. I was actually going to wait until 180, but that was on the higher time frame. So essentially what I'm predicting is this right here. I'm kind of getting carried away. I'm sorry, but essentially, I got to stop saying essentially. Basically, you're trying to get up back up to 185, like I said, and that will be our descent back to these levels of 180, 182, etc. Anyways, back to our main focus. So to chart these out, the way I found this trade was I was looking at the 1 hour. I was actually doing another video. I was doing my like how I set up my charts with the object tree. You can still see it up actually. Anyways, we basically drew out our support and resistance like we always do, and we wait. Our main focus is waiting for these trades. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and now 4 times that it has reversed at this level. And of course we're going with calls, but I do expect a 185 pullback because of this candle right here. It is a very, very strong bearish candle, and I'm not trying to fight something like that. And we are in a downtrend, so this is going to be a short long, if that makes sense. But yeah, these are your levels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and if it breaks, it breaks, but I doubt it. We could see 191, but I truly do doubt it. So anyways, I keep getting off track. Get back on track. So after we looked at the 1 hour, we're done with the 1 hour. We go down to the 5 minute, not 5 minute, 3 minute. And this is our main focus. We saw a lot of support right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it touched and bounced. So we can definitely say that this was a strong support. But again, it's going to be short. So we have 1, 2, and I'm going to guess our third one is here. And that's where we retrace back down to this level, and then so on and so forth. But yeah, took this. I want to say we sold at 75. So what is that, 25%? 20%. I sold at 70 and 75 cents. So yeah, easy 25%. And I want to say, no, I'll say that for a different video. Like the video if you guys want to see how I broke down SPY. And yeah, good luck. Today was the 14th of February, and Apple looks like it's retracing back down, but that just, if it bounces off right here, last tip before we end the video actually, if it bounces off this line, then that is super bullish, and then we are for sure touching 185. So best of luck, and that is for today.